Ajiri, can you please explain dollar cost averaging?
That's a fantastic question. I'm going to explain it showing you numbers. Let's assume every month you invest $100. $100, that is what you invest, and a basket of tomatoes costs $10 per unit or per basket. So it means that in March you're going to get 10 baskets if the cost is $10. But let's assume in April there's a sale in tomatoes and it's costing $5 per basket. It means that you're going to get 20 baskets in April. Let's now assume there was a price hike in May and the basket of tomato cost $15 per basket. It means you're going to get 6 baskets of tomatoes. So at the end of 3 months, you're going to have 36 baskets of tomatoes. You invested the same $300 to get 36 baskets. If the price had stayed at $10 per unit, it means that you were going to get 30 baskets of tomatoes. By investing consistently, you're going to buy more shares. This is why you cannot actually time the market. Neither can it be about the timing of the market. Dollar cost averaging is an important factor in investment. If you want to learn more, DM me the word DCA or put in the comment section DCA and I will show you the impact of dollar cost averaging on your investment.